How you guys doing? And thanks for tuning in to Wicked Mornings. You got a brand new Ford Super Duty, or you want to plug and play, flash those roof lights without having to take your headliner down, without having to mess around and remove those lights and possibly cause a leak or do any of that extra work involved in ripping that all apart, and just want a quick, easy install? Well, this is our auto flasher plug and play kit. You're going to get your power harness here on the left, it plug and play right into this module right here. And just FYI, on the 25 and newer trucks, it's a little different connection. As you can see here, this is the newer connection. It's slightly different than the 17 to 22s. Now, how do you install this sucker anyways in the vehicle? We're going to go right up into this Super Duty. My favorite two tools for this is a 10mm socket, a pick, and a long flat screwdriver. Fairly easy to pop off the A-pillar. You just take a pick, and down under here, you can get under the cover for these bolts and pop it out. Two 10mm bolts, and then just give this a tug and it'll pull straight off like this. You can see it has one retainer clip up top here, and it comes down. Don't forget your speaker. Don't rip your speaker wires out, and then you can simply set it aside. You got some 10mm bolts there. Now what you'll find is down in the corner of the dashboard there, way down in there, is the factory plug right there. The factory plug where they plug in the roof light harness for trucks that get roof lights. So this little red retainer is what you pop up, and then you're going to put your screwdriver probably down in that area to pop this plug out. That's what I do. I put the screwdriver in there and pull up on the wire a little bit and pop it out. And that is where you're going to insert our plug and play kit. So just like that, like you can see, we have the matching connectors here. It's going to pop right in place there. This module has more than enough room. You can stash it in here if you want. You can take the side panel off. You can put it down here, whatever you like. And you'll attach our power harness to that module. If you're running an aftermarket switch, simply take it down and over to wherever your aftermarket switch is. If you need to get to the firewall, or to under the hood rather, there is a rubber grommet in most Super Duties right here. And if it doesn't have a rubber grommet, it has a plastic plug. You can drill a hole right through, but there's almost a rubber grommet in a lot of them. So you just come right down here, past this trim panel, under the carpet a little, come down through the rubber grommet, and then after you drop out the floor under the truck, you bring it right up behind this inner fender well, and it will come out right in here. And then you can go to your auxiliary box, which is right here. This is your factory auxiliary switch box. If you didn't know that, that's where you're going to be hooking up your wires to. It's just that simple. That's how it installs in the new Ford Super Duty and the 25 and 26s. We have this kit available for 17 to 24 also. We cover all of the Ford Super Duties. And just a final note that it does flash all 5 lights in unison. That is by design. It is to produce the most effective flash. By flashing all 5 together, you get a very effective, powerful light display. If you split them up and do 2 against 3, when the 2 flash, it's only 2 small lights. So flashing 5 together makes the install extremely easy. You have one simple, quick install to get your roof lights flashing on the Wicked Warnings Auto Flasher kit for the factory cab clearance lights on the 25-26 Ford Super Duty F250, 350. Oh man, 450, 450. Oh man, and the F450. Thanks for watching.